Drizzle your way to the Mediterranean with our Greek salad dressing. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making Greek salad dressing. So hop on board and let's get cooking. We start with a half a cup of really good quality olive oil, which we pour into our little container. The olive oil that I like to use is this brand here. It is extra virgin olive oil, cold extraction. We add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of minced parsley leaves, 1 tablespoon of minced oregano leaves, 1 minced garlic clove, 2 teaspoons of raw blue agave nectar, 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of spike seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and freshly ground black pepper. It looks so pretty in there. Put our handy dandy stir lid on. You can also make it in a jar. Put a lid on and shake it up. I like to use this little handy dandy. It's nice to make this ahead of time, and then you set it aside for an hour or 2 just to let the flavors really combine, and it's a wonderful addition. And it's just fantastic on Greek salad. So tasty. This is perfect for Greek salad. So good, this dressing. Just drizzle it on your salad. Let's see. Ooh, so good. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Or head over to our website, veggieoutlaws.com, where we have new recipes coming out every week. And you can pick up a copy of our cookbook, Veggie Outlaws Most Wanted Vegan Recipes.